Hey man, say man, it's your boy, That Boy Card Beat, back with another video. You know what I'm saying? Your boy got a, you know what I'm saying? Got a little cut today, man. But that beside the point, man. I ain't click on the video for that. Today, man, first of all, hold on. Like the video. Like the video. And like the video, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, share, comment, subscribe, browse. 5 things right there you need, man. Do that for me. Your boy going up. We're going up all 2020, 2021, 2022, so on and so forth, man. Y'all boys keep rocking with me. I done passed 350 subscribers, man. Get your boy to 500. Get your boy to that 1,000, though. I'm being humble. I get to that 500, but let me get to that 1,000, man, for real. But anyway, man, today I'm gonna be showing y'all, man, how to downshift in your Scat pack without the paddle shifter. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people do, but hey, this is a what's the word? This is like an information video. You feel me? One of the how-to videos, whatever you want to call it like that. But yeah, man, without further ado, man, I'm finna get straight into it, man. I'm finna turn the camera around, show y'all how it's done, man. Real simple, real easy. Probably a quick little video, man, but have fun while we do it, man, for real. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. Peace. All right, man. So, you know, first off, you know, you just driving, cruising, whatever. Whatever you have your modes in, I got mine in custom. Right now, man, you have it in track, how you want to do it, man. It don't really matter. I'm finna show y'all, man, how to downshift. And not just like one gear. Like you can downshift 1 gear, 2, or 3, you know what I'm saying? Without using the paddle shifter now, this is all footwork. Straight footwork, you know what I'm saying? I'm telling people this, 'cause a lot of people don't know that, man. It really fire like, you know what I'm saying? You can just do it real quick. I'm gonna try to show y'all my feet. Wait till I get around that curve, man. I'm gonna show y'all, man. I'm going like 40. I'm gonna get up to like 40 so I can be able to downshift for y'all, man. Show y'all something real quick, like. But yeah, man. Well, the reason why I'm doing it, man, 'cause you know, content, man, and be informative, man. I'm a real informative person, you feel me? So I like to tell everybody, you know what I'm saying, stuff you might not know. It may help somebody out. Especially like for y'all folks that race, I don't race, you know what I'm saying? I just like fast cars because I just love cars and the muscle, man. But for those that do race, I know it's fun using the paddle shifter, but boy, you ain't got to do it. All you got to do is go like, I'm going to show y'all the first one. Don't mind my shoe, but if you tap it once, like halfway, see how the RPM drop? You know what I'm saying? If you tap it twice, it drop up again. And if you push it to the floor, that right there. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a better look, man. Kind of hard trying to do that same angle though, but that's done crazy. I almost dropped my phone to then, man. Man, these Scat pack crazy, man. I'm trying to tell you, boy, these mother too hard. I don't know how somebody couldn't like a Scat pack, bro. Or a Mopar in general. But like I just did, man. You just hold on. You just tap it like, you know what I'm saying? Tap it once. You ain't gotta tap it to the floor for like to drop 1 gear. Like literally 1 gear. You do like a 20% tap, like something real quick. Then if you want to drop 2 gears, you just tap it twice. You're gonna drop 2 gears. Now if you want to drop 3 gears, you tap it to the floor for a second. Like you push it, like, you know what I'm saying? You go like, you push it down like a one motion, you know what I'm saying? Not a quick tap, but like a, you know what I'm saying? Like you finna floor it, you feel me? So you do that right there, man, and then that's how you get to that 3rd gear. But I'm gonna get on the bigger road so I can show y'all, man. So I can show y'all for real. Wait till I get up to speed. Speed limit 55, I'm gonna get about 50. I'm gonna try to show y'all, man. I'm trying to get y'all by my feet. Yeah, man, so like you go right here. It's so dark, dog. So you go right here, tap it once. Sometimes you tap it once, depending on how fast you go, and see how it drop to 3,000 like that. You know what I'm saying? Then you tap it twice. There's like there's another one, see how it go up. And then for that aggressive one, you feel me? Like I told y'all, tap it to the floor. Right there. You know what I'm saying? You gotta play with it though, man. It's not exactly how I'm telling y'all, 'cause everybody call it a little different, but you gotta play with it, bro. Like, it's like when you go down, it's like a, you know what I'm saying? And once you tap it, you feel the car about to jerk, let off. As soon as you feel about to jerk, bro, like, let off of it. How you drop it all the way down. I'm trying to show y'all again, man. I wish I had 2 camera angles, but I'm show y'all again. So if I go down like this, right there, see that? And then, you know, let it go back down on its own, back to normal. Yeah, so when it get back to normal, if I double tap, it be like a little quick. I think double tap is just like a light down shit. It's probably like a gear or 2. When you push it to the floor, man, it's like, it go down like 4 gears. Cause you know when the car automatic, if you're cruising at any speed, you're gonna be in 5th gear. That's another thing if y'all didn't know that. Anytime you're driving a car with a manual stick, an auto stick, when it's in like eco, cause like, I mean fuel economy. When it's in fuel economy, you're gonna be driving like 30 miles an hour in 5th gear. Like if I drop it right now, you guys say 5th gear right there? I'm not going down, I'm slowing down. Besides I say 5th gear, and I'm only going 30 miles an hour. See what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to, let me see if I can get out here. Turn it on, we're getting a little hot. But trying to get out to the road, man. Everybody in my way today, man. Folk been blowing me today, boy. Always being in the way. You know what I'm saying? Nigga trying to get out here. Oh, come on, man. I ain't even see that car right there. Y'all see that? I ain't even see that car right there. My bad, bro. Whatever that was. But yeah, man, so like, you know what I'm saying? I'm going 45 right now. So if I tap it once, like real light, it go up to 2,000. Just something slight, I'm not crazy. Let it go back down. Do it twice. It go to 3,000, you feel me? I hear them pops back there going crazy. Okay. Now I'm cruising, now I push it to the floor. See that? See that right there? I heard them pop. I ain't mean to scare that. He was an old man right there. I don't know if I scared him, but I ain't trying to scare him like that. But yeah, man, just a little quick little video, man. I just want to show y'all, you know, how to downshift without paddle shifters. I ain't use these at all. Like, matter of fact, I do up here so y'all can know I ain't using it. You know what I'm saying? I'll show it up here this time. So just one tap, one light tap, like 30%. It go up. Do a double tap like a little light one, I think. If you do a double tap, I'm riding. Then when I do that big one, see what I'm saying? So yeah, man, just a little informative video today, man. You know, something slight. I'm gonna roll the window, man. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm tripping, but you know what I'm saying? Just something slight, man. Quick little, you know, informative video, man, from your boy, man. Just trying to show y'all a little tricks about your car, man. Really tips and tricks. That's what it really is, a tip. So yeah, man, that's a little tip, man. How to downshift in your Scat pack, you feel me? With how to downshift in your Scat, man, without using the paddle shifter. And it works in RTs, you know, but it works in RTs, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just doing it because I got a Scat. And I'm sorry about the camera angle because I'm holding the camera the other way. And I don't know how it's looking. But, yeah, man, so that's basically about it. You know, that's a wrap for this video. Something short and sweet. You know, I know my video will be long, man, so I'll just give y'all the short, sweet content. But, like, share, comment, subscribe, browse, man. We're going up all 2020 and 2021, so on and so forth. Like I said, every video, man. If you got a goal out there you're trying to accomplish, or you got a dream you're trying to do, man, do it. You can do it, bro. Just keep believing in it. Keep the faith, man. Keep pushing and stay positive. Positivity is everything, man. I'm trying to tell y'all. Vibes and energy, bro, it really works in real life, man. You just gotta believe in it and keep that, and you know what I'm saying, keep that mindset. But take that initiative step, bro. If you don't take that initiative step and put in that work first, some kind of work just to show that you're trying to get somewhere or trying to do what you're trying to do, bro, it's not gonna happen. You feel me? That's like that in church too, man. Like how they say, you ask God for help or ask God for something, bro, God wants you to show that initial step, man. You know what I'm saying? That, my bad, not initial step, but that first step, you feel me? Once you show him that you're trying, bro, then he gonna be like, all right, I'm finna bless you. You feel me? Like how, basically kind of like with me with this car, man. I wanted this car so bad, I've been talking about this car for years. I went up. I've been working hard, saving my bread. Then I went up here. I went up there, man, to that initial step, to that leap of faith. Ran my credit. Voila. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. So that's a wrap for this video, man. Like I was saying, all the end of my videos, man. I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.